Naghahanap ka ba ng property or condominium dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna? Good news! Welcome to Sadia Greenfield. So this is located in Santa Rosa, Laguna, and Sadia Tower 4 is now open for sale. So currently po, sold out na po yung ating Sadia Tower 1, 2, and 3. So good news po, our starting price dito is 4.3 million and 17% down payment payable in 40 months. So mas pinahaba po, mas pina-stretch po yung ating monthly. So kung naghahanap kayo at gusto nyo magkaroon ng property dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, this is the best time for you to invest. So lalo na po, ide-develop pa lang ito, lupa pa lang siya, gagawin pa lang itong ating Sadia Tower 4. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng property na malapit sa Nuvali, malapit sa Tagaytay, so napakalapit lang po natin dito. Then kung i-consider po natin yung mga school at gusto natin pag-aralin dito yung mga anak natin, meron tayo ditong UST, Xavier School, Miriam College, which is 10 to 15 minutes away lang from dito sa Sadia. So this is a perfect time for you to invest ng property dito sa Sadia. So if you have question, message us.